Cruiser motorcycles are beloved for their simple yet charismatic design. They are the perfect mix of power and personality, appealing to riders of all backgrounds. These days, the market is full of cruiser options from nearly every major manufacturer, each offering its own unique take on the classic style. Some cruisers lean towards a sportier aesthetic, while others take on a more laid-back vibe, ensuring there's a model to match every rider's preference and riding style. This diversity in the cruiser class ensures that riders can find a motorcycle that not only suits their needs, but also reflects their individuality on the road. However, as advancements in performance, features, and riding technology continue to become more sophisticated, the cost of cruiser models has been steadily rising. Fortunately, with the rising popularity of cruisers, the market has also become ripe with bikes that offer a satisfying riding experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're drawn to the classic appeal of a vintage cruiser or the modern amenities of a contemporary model, there's a motorcycle out there that meets your criteria without burning a hole in your wallet. So let's take a closer look at the affordable cruiser options available today. CF Moto 450 CLC. The CF Moto 450 CLC is a groundbreaking addition to the world of low-cost cruisers, offering an attractive mix of vintage design and contemporary innovation. With its twin-cylinder engine and old-school look, this motorcycle has the spirit of leisurely weekend cruising in its DNA. It boasts an impressive list of features, including features like ABS and traction control, a dual-chamber exhaust, a soft leather seat, and sleek blacked-out aesthetics. However, its centerpiece is undoubtedly the round TFT display, a nod to the integration of cutting-edge technology into the world of motorcycling. This digital dashboard not only provides riders with essential all-necessary information, but also offers over-the-air updates, anti-theft security features, track recording capabilities, and real-time vehicle data accessible through the CF Moto Ride app. For those captivated by its allure and price point, you'd be happy to know the 450 CLC is hitting North American dealerships in the fall of 2024. Pricing is already out, and the temptation is real. Honda Rebel 500. Since its introduction in 2016, the Honda Rebel 500 has developed a strong reputation as one of the manufacturer's most beloved cruisers. Hailed for its simplicity, versatility, and undeniable attitude, this motorcycle has received love from both novice and seasoned riders alike. Whether navigating busy city streets, casual suburban neighborhoods, embarking on short stints along the highway, or tackling challenging back roads, the Rebel 500 effortlessly adapts to every riding environment, offering a thrilling experience at every turn. A big value point of this bike is its commitment to rider comfort, evidenced by its low seat height. This enables even short riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground at red lights and effortlessly mount and dismount without overextending their legs. Additionally, the latest iterations of the Rebel 500 come with the necessary features, including full LED lighting, optional ABS for added safety, and a slipper assist clutch mechanism that delivers immediate control with every pull of the lever. A light clutch action is another pro. With this solid combination of style, performance, and advanced technology, the Honda Rebel 500 continues to attract riders of all kinds, all while staying at a very affordable price point. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. One motorcycle that manages to harness the pure spirit of cruising with affordability is the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. This motorcycle has solidified itself as part of Royal Enfield's premier lineup, and for good reason. Designed to be the ultimate cruising machine, the Super Meteor 650 hungers for the open road, and anyone who has ridden one understands exactly what that feels like. It puts rider comfort at the top of its list, boasting a generously wide seat positioned at a low height, ensuring riders can enjoy extended rides in a somewhat laid-back position without experiencing any fatigue along their journey. In addition, the front suspension comprises USD forks, which enhances its ability to absorb and glide across any cracks and bumps. Features are aplenty too, such as dual-channel ABS, turn-by-turn navigation, USB port, and adjustable levers. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S has masterfully evolved from the relaxed nature of its predecessors, blending the classic DNA of an old-school cruiser with a contemporary edge. Prioritizing rider comfort, this cruiser offers an impressive array of customization options, which includes 18 different configurations for its handlebars, seat, and foot pegs to accommodate a diverse spectrum of riders. Its popularity among larger riders is supported by its generous physical size and strategically positioned forward controls. While it is still a laid-back cruiser at its core, this Kawasaki allows riders the opportunity to unleash more underlying power with low to mid-range torque thanks to its liquid-cooled 4-stroke, 2-cylinder engine, also present on the Ninja NZ650. If that wasn't impressive enough, this motorcycle comes with a price tag of less than $8,000, making it an even more irresistible option for riders seeking an affordable, yet very comfortable cruiser. Indian Scout 60. The Indian Scout 60 is the physical embodiment of old-school styling with modern amenities, so it attracts riders who adore the nostalgia of all-American motorcycles while enjoying contemporary comfort and technology. Paying tribute to its heritage, the Scout 60 stays true to its high-quality craftsmanship, while having a price tag that won't break the bank. It has been carefully crafted to deliver a riding experience that manages to blend heritage with innovation. Whereas its design, reminiscent of its predecessors, embodies the style that Indian has been known for. It's still thoroughly attractive for youngsters too. With its low seat and forward controls, this cruiser keeps its occupants comfortable for a well-balanced ride in every environment. In addition, there's a likable 999cc V-twin powerhouse in there. It promises to give you the authentic American cruiser experience without being too intimidating or in your face. Just right for someone who's jumping up from a sub-500cc metric cruiser. Things are a little scarce feature-wise though. You get a simple instrument cluster, no electronic rider aids, and alloy wheels. By staying true to its iconic design, the Indian Scout 60 is an affordable blend of comfort and long-term reliability that the brand has become known for. Hopefully, this will help you make a more informed decision. Whatever your cruiser motorcycle, it'll still continue to be a symbol of freedom and self-expression. If you liked this video, then smash that like button. And if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.